Hi, I'm Greg Bingham, the manager at Coldwell Banker Previews International. Today, we're going to talk about overcoming sales call reluctance. How do you feel about asking a stranger for business? Me too. But remember, real estate is a people business. It's about maintaining and nurturing personal relationships. Technology is a great tool, but some of us have taken it to extremes. Our most successful agents are the ones that maintain their relationships and contacts with their clients via the telephone or in person. Now, the telephone obviously is the most efficient, but in-person contact is the most effective. We're not going to ask you to make the cold call. What we're going to do is help you to make the warm call, to extend yourself and offer something of value to your clients. Let's find out how. Again, join me at Coldwell Banker. It's the place to be.